Hey everyone, it's Katie and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a fun kind of like get ready with me tutorial based video, and I created this look using the Colourpop and Kathleen Light's Zodiac palette. I really like this look. It's just a fun orangey golden like sunset, like sunset sun, like orangey look. I really like how it turned out. I really like the full look and everything, and I just want to do something fun for summer. This actually isn't the look I had envisioned for today, but I just want to do something fun for summer because I feel like I haven't done barely any tutorials this summer, which is insane and stuff. So yeah, I really don't want a long intro, so let's just get So if you're excited to see this sunny, whatever we want to call it, this kind of look, you're in the right place. Just keep on watching. Okay, so on to the makeup. I'm super excited to be doing like somewhat of a tutorial today. I don't know, I'm just been talking through it today. Definitely want to do another like chill, get ready me soon, but that's besides the point. Today I'm going to use this Nivea lip balm though, just start out, because my lips are always chapped. And of course I already put on my typical moisturizer, which is the Hello Fab Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer from First Aid Beauty. I don't know if I'm gonna do my eyes first or my face first. I'm honestly not sure what I'm doing with my life. So first off, I'm just gonna go ahead and prime my face with the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I got this like, my mom more like got this in her Sephora play box and she gave it to me, and I've wanted to try this primer out for a while. I think I put it like on my like wish list on like, well, my like kind of like would I buy it thing on my Instagram, and I'm breaking out right now because it's like the time where I would break out, so that's quite annoying. For the sake of this video, I'm just gonna take my Urban Decay primer potion and put this onto my eyelids because I'm not gonna go down with concealer first. We're just not. I'm even gonna go in the inner corners and under my eyes. I did that in the wedding get ready of me for my cousin's wedding. I did that and my makeup looks so bomb, so we're doing that. So I'm just gonna take a random white out of this Clinique shadow quad blush thingy, and I'm just going to set my lids with that. The white is like probably the only good color in that quad, by the way. I don't know, that's just my opinion though. So for today's look, I'm gonna take the Zodiac palette, which it like came out like what, a year ago, and it's technically not new to the whole world, but it's new to me. Like I've only had it for a few weeks. And yes, this is what it looks like. I really like it. Well, I'm gonna start off by taking just a transition. I'm going to take the Taurus, which is that shade. I'm just gonna take like literally a dab of this and just go into the crease of my eye with this, and just to put down a transition. I'm gonna go like decently high with it, but then just start blending, and it's doing so much. Then I'm gonna take the Libra, and I'm going to take this and kind of like put it in conjunction with that other shade I applied. I kind of want this to be lower, but I'm also gonna go higher with it and mix it kind of with that first color. So I think the look I'm gonna do today is gonna be like a fun, summery, like orangey, kind of golden type of look today. So I'm gonna start off with the Aries. I'm gonna take this, which is a color I normally wouldn't wear, like an orangey color, but I'm gonna take that onto my lid. It's kind of like not doing anything for me so far. So I think what I'm gonna do is take like glitter glue, which is my favorite thing to make shadows just appear better. I take like a tiny bit of it and then I just put onto the base of the lid. Usually I do like that. And I'm gonna go in with the Aries. I'm just gonna do one tap, see how it goes. And that's appearing a little bit more pigmented. It's definitely not like a super bright orange, which I really like. It's kind of just like it's still orange, but it's like a fun golden orange. I don't know how to explain it, but I'm liking it so far. I'm just gonna pack it on until I get the pigmentation I want. Whoa, that is intense. I was not expecting it to look like that. I'm now gonna take the Leo, which is like a gold shade, kind of like a more summery warm gold, if that makes any sense. And I'm going to just place that kind of over it to tone it a little bit. Tone her down because that looks insane. It kind of like makes this like pretty like sunset orange color with the gold over top. It definitely looks super insane on the lid and stuff, but I'm loving that. I'm actually even gonna take it on a finer brush just so like the colors don't mix together. I'm just going to apply that on top, and it kind of like tones it down. I mean, it's not gonna look like complete until we have foundation on, but we'll get there. I'm gonna take the Virgo, which is kind of like my shade because I'm a Virgo, and I'm gonna place this into the outer half of my lid. What I like about this brown is a lot of browns can be patchy, but this is definitely not patchy at all. It's like a good brown to smoke out the eye, which I really like. And then I'm going to do my foundation now, and then we can go back to the eyeshadow later. For foundation today, I think I'm gonna take the founcealer. I kind of want to talk about this in a video, like just use it. I have mine in the shade, doesn't say. Well, it's like a lighter shade at least. I really like this foundation. It's quite nice. I just like to kind of distribute it around my face. It's like a fair type shade, I think is what they sent me because I got it in the subscription. And now I'm just going to blend it in like so. I was feeling like kind of anxious today, so putting on makeup is definitely helping with that. I definitely love creating these different types of looks. Just gets me out of my head and stuff. I actually like using this brush better. It is a bigger brush, but I just feel like it blends the foundation to the skin just so beautifully. And now that I have my foundation on, my eyes I feel like don't look as insane with the orange color, which is always good. Next, I've been like literally using this so much recently. It's a no filter concealer from Colourpop. Like literally feel like every day I'm using this concealer. I don't know, I'm obsessed with it. So I've been using this a lot recently. It's just so good. Like I don't know what to say. So I'm just gonna apply this, and I'm also gonna do a little bit of my nose, Cupid's bow, and chin to highlight. And I'm gonna go wet my sponge. Then I'll just blend everything out. I kind of want everything just to look more natural, so I'm just gonna blend everything. For powder, I think I use the Emani powder. I really like. I'm gonna take a little bit of this and just apply to under my eyes. I don't feel like the rest of my face needs a ton of powder, so I'm just gonna take a little bit of this and just press it into my skin. Then I'm just gonna do my eyebrows real quick using the Essence Make Me Brow. I need to get my eyebrows done, but for now we're just gonna ignore that fact. We're just gonna pretend I don't have a bunch of eyebrow hairs that need to be plucked or threaded or waxed, whatever you wanna call it. So I'm just going to do this onto my brow. Back to the Zodiac palette. I feel like my eyes just look pretty good, but I do want like something a little bit more, so I'm just gonna take this and kind of blend it with Taurus and Libra. I was first going in with just whatever was left, and now I'm gonna kind of fix it up with those. Same thing on that eye. I'm just going to blend it, and then I'm going to take the Aries and the Leo with my finger, and I'm just going to press that into the base of my lid. I really like how it looks and everything. And then I'm just gonna finish off my face. Okay, so I did my mascara because I just wanted to get it off the way. Plus my mom came home, so I wanted to talk to her for a few minutes. So kind of give me time for that, let that dry. I think my concealer started creasing because I use a different powder under my eyes than I usually do. So that's a good time. But now I'm going to do bronzer. I'm going to take Hoola out of this Cheekathon palette that I've been panning for the whole year. And I'm just going to do a light dusting of this around the perimeters of my face. also gonna take a little bit of Dallas with hoola and do my cheeks and then around the corners of my face. Then I like to blend everything because I never like it to be too intense. Now it's time for some blush. I'm gonna take I Will Always Love You. Oh my god, we hit pan. Exciting day. And I'm gonna start with this. I feel like it goes good with an orangey type look. I'm so excited to hit pan on that. I also kind of want to neutral it out. So we're gonna go in with Dallas and put that on top. Highlight is always hard for me because like I love highlight. It's a real issue. I think I'm just gonna take flexitarian because I love how this looks with like any look, and I feel like it would just be super pretty for this look. And I love just the super shot cheeks. Like how pretty is that? I'm gonna tap it on and then blend it, and then I'll go on my nose, especially like the ball of my nose, and then cupid's bow and chin, and then I'm just gonna blend everything with a sponge just so it doesn't go insane. And I feel like all I have left to do is some type of lip. So I'm gonna take this Model Code lip liner I've been using, and I'm just gonna apply this to my lips. I apply this like lipstick, which I think is weird for a lip liner, but it's me. And then I'm just gonna take my Sephora nude gloss because I feel like a gloss would be really cute for this look. And to distract from the creasing under my eyes, I'm just gonna take my crease brush, and with whatever's left over, I'm just going to drag that under the crease, under the lash line basically. And then I kind of apply the flexitarian to that inner corner, but I'm also going to take the Cancer and apply that to my inner corners to highlight. And then for the brow bone, I'm just going to apply it very lightly to the outer part and kind of drag it. And yeah, I'm loving this look. I really like how it turned out. I think it's super like fun and for summer and stuff like that. I really like how it turned out. It's not like much, it's kind of like a natural glam with a pop of color, which I really like for summer and stuff like that. And yeah, so this is what it looks like. I really like it. I want to go like fix my hair and make it look more presentable, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the finished makeup. My hair is done, so I feel like the look looks more complete. But I really like this look because I think it's super fun and easy for summer. Honestly, didn't take much besides like, it didn't really take much, and I really like it for summer. I was kind of on the fence about it before I had my foundation on, but of course, before you have the full look on, it's never like set in stone, I guess, or like it's not like perfected. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know any other tutorials you'd like to see next. I love talking through my tutorials. I think it's so much fun and stuff like that. So be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below any looks you want to see next or any summer videos because it's still summer. I know like probably by the time this goes up, it'll be like probably August, and I don't want summer to be over. Like it's gone by way too fast, honestly. But we're not gonna think about that. And be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, because I post videos every single week. I'm trying to be more consistent. I mean, I always post once a week, but I'm trying to be more consistent in the ways that like I post like twice a week. I'm trying to get there. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.